Today on the Fixit Shed, I'm going to take a look at this keypad for the door lock on my 2018 Ford Fiesta. So the problem is, I don't know what the combination is, so let's see if we can figure it out. So I bought this car used, and the dealership that I bought it from didn't know what the door combination was. So the first place you want to look when you're trying to figure out what the door lock combination code is with your owner's manuals. There should be a business card sized piece of paper that says what the key code is. And, you know, I have this, which that's not the key code. And I've looked through all of the manuals. There's nothing here. So that's probably not an uncommon thing to lose. So we're going to move on to step 2, another place where you might be able to find it. Okay, first I'm going to take out the glove box. Okay. All right, underneath the dash, there's 2 clips, one here and one here. And you want to, there's one, pop it open. There you go. Pull the pin out, and then we're going to pull the other one out. Okay, that one's out. Then you can pull the whole clip out. And this one's boogered up. Well, what we want to do is we want to pull this cover down. So let's see. There we go. This is your body control module right here. And typically, you might find a tag on there that tells you what the code for the door lock is. And I don't see anything there. And we can look up above through the glove box hole, and this right here is your BdyCM, and I don't see any sticker on there that's going to be helpful either. Alright, so the third thing that I can try is FORSCAN. So I'm going to plug in the ODB2 port into my laptop. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to go into the PIDs, and I'm going to select body control module, and we're going to go in here, and we're going to look for key codes. Keypad codes, key codes, something like that. So I'm just going to search on key. And as you can see, there are no key codes there. There are no key codes there. Let's see. You got driver's door, key cylinder switch, no. Key unlock switch. So, well, let's tell you what, let's just take all of these and select no, that's not what I wanted. Select all of those. Okay, and then let's see what the values are. Table. Nothing. Alright, so those are the 3 places that I know to look. So if you should start off by looking in your user's manual. If you can't find the card in there that has the code on it, try looking for a sticker on the body control module behind your glove compartment under the dash. So you can either look underneath or take out the glove box and look in that way. And the third thing to try is FORSCAN, and you should be able to log in that way, find the key codes in there, and be able to figure out your code that way. This car doesn't seem to have any of those indications. I'm wondering if maybe this is not an original door, or if somebody just stuck this on here to make it look like they have a combination lock. I'm not sure, but it really doesn't seem like this car has one. So if you know anything more about this than I do, please feel free to leave it in the comment below. I'd love to find out what the combination for this car is. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help support the channel, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.